2013 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 70,000 miles. All of the premium features expected of a Chrysler are offered, including delay-off headlights, power front seats, a trip computer, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call